New location. New location, y'all. I'm at this old pond over here in Seagerville. And somebody just told me about this pond. So I'm out here checking it out, y'all. See what they do. I heard there's some nice sized bass out here. I'm gonna see if anything else in here besides bass. I see a bunch of shiners around here. So I'm pretty sure there's some other things out here. Got it. I finally got his little ass. Finally got it. Caught him in the fin. Look at that. Caught his little ass in the fin. Little motherfucker. Gerald would have killed this little motherfucker here. There you go, y'all. This is what's in the little pond in the school, y'all. I know there's some big ones in here. I know there's some bigger ones in here. Oh, got one, y'all. And this is a bluegill. Bluegill on the chatterbait. I'm going home. Should have never fucked with it back here. Last cast, y'all. And I caught a bluegill.